Another tool bench? No way.
You see?
That's a tool set.
Yeah.
For your tool bench.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Over here.
You get all the tools for your tool?
Wow.
And I have tools already in there.
Wow.
Oh, you're lucky. You can just fix everything now.
And Daddy,
Yeah?
I think when you need help, I think I'm gonna help you. Mommy, this is your present.
Oh.
You want to put it on this for you?
This for me.
Yeah.
No, we didn't have a DR. No. For me.
Yeah. Come on, Daddy, you gotta open your gift.
I opened too.
But Santa brought you a lot more gifts. You gotta open it.
Oh, snap! Oh, I love it!
Ma,
And I need it!
Ma,
I didn't even know this existed. Oh, thank you.
Ma, look it.
Thank you, Daddy.
That's from Jalen. That's not from me.
Thank you, Jamie.
Look it.
Thank you, Jamie.
That wasn't for me.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you, Jamie. I love it. This is
Now we
awesome.
need to find one
How
more.
does this work?
How did Santa come?
Yeah,
How
it's
did
so
you know
awesome.
I wanted a workbench?
Do you hear that?
Huh?
How did you know I wanted a workbench?
I thought you told Santa.
No,
Didn't you tell Santa?
I didn't.
Look, I think this big one over here.
That's a big one.
I think that one is
That's
for.
mine.
I think that's for Jalen.
Whoa, no, Timmy, Timmy,
Careful.
this is mine.
Russia.
This is mine, Mommy. This is mine. Mommy, this is mine. Mom,
That's
this
from
is
Jamie.
mine.
Oh, thank you, Jamie.
This is
Oh,
mine.
heck, it smells good on Christmas. Daddy, open yours. Oh, more?
I think that one. Who's that one from? You didn't read the tag. You just open this stuff. What? What is this?
Baseball bat.
What?
What is this?
Baseball bat.
It's a pitching machine.
What, Jalen?
Whoa! It pitches to you.
Who is that from?
This is for Jalen.
Oh.
Wow. Open up. Come on.
That one's mine.
Jamie.